Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to move body. I will create new part and you can click start to the sketch, choose top plan. We draw rectangle in here, click finish sketch, and then you can use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to move this body, you can go to modify tools, click in drop down menu, and then click move body tools. It will be automatically select the body, and you can move in x-axis, y-axis, or z-axis. So here I will set into 0 for x-axis, and we move to the top by using this z-axis or y-axis. You can set into 10, move to the top, or you can move into z-axis to this point. If you're done, you can click apply. So the object will be automatically moved. We move again, like I will set in here into 15, z-axis into 10, and then move to the top into 20. Click apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials how to move body. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.